The 3 Plus is a versatile 2-in-1 tool serving as both an 18-gauge brad nailer and an 18-gauge 1/4 inches narrow crown stapler. Ideal for trim work, soffits, furniture, crafts, crown molding and more. It's user-friendly with features like a no-mar tip, rotatable exhaust cover, depth control adjustment, and quick clear jam release. This durable tool is backed by a 1-year warranty and is popular among DIYers and contractors. It accepts 18-gauge brad nails, 3/4 inches to 2 inches, and 18-gauge narrow crown staples, 1/2 inches to 1.5 inches, with a 100 nail by staple magazine capacity and a working pressure of 70, 100 psi, all in a lightweight 2.6-pound package. The WEN 6.6 amp variable speed Orbital Jigsaw is a versatile cutting tool suitable for various materials with a 6.6 amp motor that offers up to 3,300 strokes per minute. Its adjustable variable speed and 4-position orbital selection ensure precise cutting for different materials. Additionally, it features an onboard laser and an LED light for accuracy and illumination, a beveling footplate for up to 45-degree cuts, and a non-marring shoe to protect the workpiece. This jigsaw is a valuable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors, and comes with essential accessories and a 2-year warranty. The Bessey KLI 12 cm KliKlamp is a versatile and robust clamping tool with a remarkable 190 kilograms capacity, providing strong gripping power for a multitude of applications. Its one-handed operation makes it quick and convenient to use. Whether you're working on woodworking, metalworking, plastic, assembly, fabrication, or repair projects, this clamp is a reliable choice. With a durable construction and corrosion-resistant finish, it offers both durability and longevity. The comfortable and ergonomic handle ensures ease of use, making it a popular choice among DIYers and professional contractors for various tasks. The Products Feather Pro FP1 is a safety device designed to reduce the risk of kickback during woodworking, which is a potentially hazardous occurrence where a workpiece gets thrown back toward the operator. This featherboard, compatible with table saws, router tables, and band saws, uses soft and flexible EVA feathers to apply consistent downward pressure on the workpiece, preventing it from catching on the blade. Properly securing the featherboard, positioning it ahead of the blade, and selecting the right size and type of feathers for the material being cut are essential safety measures. The Micro Jig GRR Ripper DVC 538K2 MATCHFIT Dovetail clamps are a versatile and innovative addition to woodworking tools, offering unique dovetail clamping capabilities. They excel in securing fence extensions, crafting customized jigs, holding workpieces firmly, and ensuring safety during resawing. These clamps enhance woodworking precision and safety across various applications, making them a valuable asset in any woodworker's toolkit. The Milescraft 5340 PlugCutters are a 3-piece set of versatile plug cutters, creating tapered plugs for wood projects. Available in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inches sizes, these cutters are perfect for blending plugs seamlessly into your work, concealing imperfections, and even achieving unique visual effects by using contrasting wood species. They are invaluable for tasks like covering screw holes and hidden joints, filling nail holes, and adding visual flair to your woodworking projects, giving your work a polished and professional look. The Klein Tools Mag 2 Demagnetizer Magnetizer is a compact and versatile tool designed to magnetize or demagnetize screwdriver bits and tips with speed and efficiency. Its rare earth magnets provide a strong, long-lasting charge. The device accommodates a variety of screwdrivers, including precision, 1/4 inches slotted, By magnetizing screwdriver bits, it prevents dropped screws and enhances work speed and efficiency, minimizing common frustrations. With the durability of rare earth magnets, this tool is an essential addition to the toolkit of anyone who frequently handles screws. The Wolfcraft Aumobile Mobile Bohrhilfe 4685000 is a versatile and precise drilling aid tool designed for drilling perpendicular holes in various materials, even on curved surfaces and in confined spaces. It features 5 precision ground metal drill bushings in different diameters, positioning lines for accurate drilling, rubber buffers for stability and surface protection, and V-grooves for gripping round and square materials. This tool is perfect for tasks like drilling holes for screws, dowels, electrical and plumbing installations, as well as automotive and metalworking projects. Its ease of use and precision make it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The Woodpecker's sharpening system offers a significant advantage in sharpening tools by simplifying the process, enhancing precision, and speeding up the task compared to freehand sharpening. It boasts unique features not found in other sharpening guides. Achieving a razor-sharp edge on your tools is a highly rewarding aspect of woodworking. Whether it's the precision of an end-grain chisel cut or the delicate shaving produced by a smoothing plane, there's unparalleled satisfaction in the sound and feel of the cut. This experience is amplified by the recollection of the time and effort invested in preparing the cutting edge. If you're seeking a faster route to sharper tools, this system is your ideal solution. The Fox W1727A, a 1 HP dust collector, is a portable and powerful dust collection solution designed for use with a variety of woodworking machines, including table saws, routers, and sanders. Its 1 GP motor generates 800 CFM of airflow, effectively capturing even fine dust particles. The unit features a high-quality 2.5 micron filtration system that can remove 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 2.5 microns, making it a valuable tool for maintaining air quality in woodworking shops. Additionally, its portable design, complete with built-in wheels, allows for easy mobility, making it convenient to move between machines or even take to different job sites. The Galax Pro 5.8 amp 3500 revolutions per minute circular saw is a versatile and efficient tool designed for DIY projects. Its powerful 5.8 amp motor provides a cutting speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute, making it capable of quick and precise cuts through materials such as wood, plastic, and plasterboard. With a 4.5 inches blade, it offers versatility for various cutting tasks. The saw also features a beveling capacity of up to 45 degrees, ideal for miter cuts and angled cuts. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability, and the ergonomic handle enhances user comfort. The Jbos 5 Benchtop Oscillating Spindle Sander is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a wide range of woodworking projects. With its half HP motor, large tilting table, and heavy-duty worm gear system, it offers efficient sanding capabilities. The 1-inch oscillating action extends sleeve life and prevents workpiece burnishing. The sander comes with 5 spindles and sanding sleeves, as well as 4 table inserts, providing flexibility for various job types and material sizes. Its tilting table allows for bevel sanding, and safety features like the removable on-off switch and built-in storage racks enhance user convenience. 4 non-skid rubber feet ensure stability during the operation. The WORKPRO Belt. Disc Sander is a versatile 2-in-1 sanding machine equipped with a 4x 36-inch belt sander and a 6-inch sanding disc. Its 4.3 amps 1/2 GP motor delivers 1900 SFM of belt speed and 3,600 revolutions per minute of disc speed. ensuring efficient sanding. The sander's stable cast iron base minimizes vibrations. It is suitable for various sanding tasks, including wood surface smoothing, contouring, and metal sanding. The package includes 6 sandpaper discs with different grits for customized use. This sander offers user-friendly features such as a tension quick-release lever, adjustable work tables, and a dust collection port to maintain a clean workspace. The Woodcut Tool's Tru-Grind Jig Turning Tool Sharpener is a popular choice among woodturners due to its user-friendly design and consistent sharpening results. It efficiently sharpens a variety of wood-turning tools by maintaining the correct bevel angle, offering essential features such as a secure locking mechanism, an angle gauge, and a comfortable grip. With its affordability and accessories like base slides for different tools, this sharpening system simplifies the sharpening process, making it accessible for woodturners of all skill levels. The Milescraft 1600 TriGrips are highly versatile work supports designed for various DIY projects. Crafted from durable plastic with non-slip friction pads, they securely hold projects 1 3/16 inches above the work surface, granting unrestricted access to edges during tasks such as painting and edge routing. These supports feature integrated painter's points, offering an extra lift from the work surface with minimal contact during painting or staining. TriGrips can be applied in numerous ways, including routing, sanding, painting, drilling, and carving. They can even be interconnected to provide substantial support for larger and more intricate projects. Overall, the Milescraft 1600 TriGrips are reliable and adaptable tools suitable for a wide range of DIY activities. Thank you for watching our video on top tech tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.